Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix NBA Live Mobile Network timeout. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my phone. So the first thing that you need to do guys is make sure that you close NBA Live if you have it opened. So right now we're gonna go to settings and then click on it. Once you're here in settings, this is how it will look like. It might be different depending on which phone you have. I have an Android phone. Right now I'm gonna scroll down. So scroll down until you find apps or applications. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And right here in this list, you're gonna find all of the uninstalled applications on your phone. Right now, all you need to do is scroll down and search for NBA Live Mobile. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find all of the settings related to this application. So right here, you're going to find the notification permission. You can allow it or unallow it depending on your preferences. Right here, you're going to find the permissions. I only gave it the notifications permission. Right here, you're going to find screen time and remove permission if app is unused. Also, as defaults, you can check open supported links. And right here in the bottom, you're going to find mobile data, battery, and storage. Go ahead and click on storage. And here in the bottom, you're going to find two options. Clear data if you want to clear the data, and also clear cache. Go ahead and click on clear cache and then go back, and now the cache has been cleared. All you need to do guys right now is launch the game again and the problem is gonna be fixed. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.